Living Streets Alliance is a Tucson-based nonprofit that is working to make our streets great places for people.
We're not formally or even informally connected as neighbors. The school is literally the center of the neighborhood, and I think that the school could be a real catalyst for bringing our whole neighborhood together.
So one of the programs that we were able to launch recently is called Safe Routes to School, and it's a program in which we work with schools throughout the region to try and encourage biking and walking. And we provide a number of activities and events around this to try and make it a really social and inclusive and safe thing. So we do mobile bike repair, we do family-friendly bike rides, walking school buses, walk to school day. There's already champions within the neighborhoods, there's champions within the schools that are poised to make change within their community, and they just don't have the tools or the resources necessarily to make it happen, especially because they're often in areas that are underserved or don't have the infrastructure in place to do the things that they know would be good for their community.
There are issues with drugs and violence and kids acting up, and so I think that the more we know each other as a community, the safer we're gonna be, and the more organized we're gonna be to confront those challenges.
Public safety is a really big challenge for the work that we're doing right now. If you have real physical barriers out in the road, your right-of-way doesn't feel inviting, it doesn't have the facilities to make it safe, that's a problem. But also there's the perceptions of safety. So if a parent's afraid of stranger danger, they're never gonna let their kid out of the house unattended. And we see the effects of that in all over our community, where people don't trust each other, and because they don't trust each other, there's not people out and about, and it feels even more unsafe. The arts have a real potential to galvanize all of these pieces that are coming together.
The opportunity for our students to have that sense of ownership and participate in this project, to have pride in their community and the beautification of our neighborhood has been something that we've been actively working on for many, many years, and trying to develop that ownership for our students, most of whom live in this neighborhood and whose families have a long history in the Pueblo Gardens neighborhood.
There's so much potential and so much energy already in these neighborhoods. They already have so much to bring to the table. This is a way to really capitalize upon that and help them create something that's lasting, that's tangible, but also bring them together so that they've created that social network that's going to help them advocate on their own behalf well into the future, long beyond this grant, to make their community the kind of place they want it to be.